everyone, welcome to a very special episode of the Let's Talk Yoga podcast. I'm Arundhati, and today I'm going to walk you through a guided, beginner-friendly Yoga Nidra practice. For those of you who are exploring Yoga Nidra for the first time, this is a deep, guided relaxation practice, usually done in the position of Shavasana. So, let's begin. Find a comfortable position. Lie down on your back with your arms resting by your sides away from the body, palms of the hands facing upwards, and legs slightly apart. You want to be comfortable in this position. Make sure you loosen any tight clothes, adjust your blankets, and even take off any devices that could buzz or disturb you during the practice of Nidra. As you settle in, take a few deep breaths, inhaling a sense of calm through the nose and exhaling, feeling steady and supported through the nose. Take a few breaths like this. And with every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. Remind yourself that you are practicing Yoga Nidra and that you will not fall asleep. You may feel sleepy when you are deeply relaxed, but the practice is more effective if you manage to stay awake. Now, as we start Yoga Nidra, draw the attention towards your body. Start from the head and slowly just scan down all the way till you reach your toes. Notice any tension, sensations, discomfort. And with each breath, allow these areas to soften, release, and relax a bit more. And now it's time to set a sankalpa. A sankalpa is anything that you deeply desire, wish for, or need. It can be something simple and personal. It can also be very general and universal. If you already have a sankalpa, repeat that sankalpa with full meaning and emotion 3 times mentally. If you do not have a sankalpa, you can take this moment to think of one, or after the practice is over, before you come back the next time, reflect and find yourself a sankalpa. As we move into the practice of Yoga Nidra, remember to be still and relaxed as possible. Keep your sense of hearing active and try not to fall asleep. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm, and with each inhalation, imagine that you are breathing in relaxation and a sense of calm and peace. And with each exhalation, you are releasing any tension or stress. Now let's begin by rotating your awareness throughout your body. I'm going to mention the name of a body part and moving from one part to the other quickly. Let your awareness move, jump from one part to the other, and be fully immersed in the part that I mentioned. There is no need to move. Remain as relaxed as possible. Starting with the right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder. Right side of the waist, right hip, right thigh, knee, shin, ankle, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. sole of the foot, calf, back of the right thigh, right glute, right side of the back. Feel the whole right side of your body. The whole right side. Become aware of your left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, left palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left side of your trunk, left hip, left thigh, knee, shin, ankle, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, sole of the foot, calf, back of the left thigh, left glute, left side of the back. Feel the entire left side of your body, the whole left side. Awareness to back of the neck, back of the head, top of the head, forehead, eyebrows, eyebrow center, eyelids, nose, right ear, right cheek, left ear, left cheek, upper lip, lower jaw, chin, front of the neck, the whole head and face. Now, in your awareness, notice from the top of the head all the way down to the soles of your feet. Feel your entire body in awareness. And take your attention to the breath. And count your breath backwards from 13 to 1. Inhale and exhale is 1 round. Count backwards 13 rounds. If you lose your count, start from the end again. And let go of your count of breath. And once again, repeat your sankalpa 3 times with the same words, the same feeling, without making any changes. Repeat your sankalpa 3 times mentally. And now gradually start noticing your own body at rest. Start listening to sounds around you, sounds beyond your body, beyond the room that you're in. Let your attention, your awareness move from sound to sound. And when you're ready, softly wriggle the toes, the fingertips, stretch the body, and slowly, without hurrying, without rushing, gently bend the knees, roll over to your right side, and gradually press yourself up to sit. Take a moment, and only when you're ready, softly blink your eyes open. Practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank you very much.